what is a retirement package? Yeah, so I'm calling it retirement package, right? All right, so what we got here? We got two beautiful bikes. We got one experienced rider that is suited for the winter. And we got that's right, hydraulic clutch. So the goal here, it's winter, right? Things that I hate doing on that bike every winter, I'm trying to minimize my effort to go outside. I cannot minimize not to gap my plugs because this is, how do I put it? It's not electric. It's carbon fuel injected. So you need the spark and you're gonna have to gap it regardless what type of bike you have. And my air filter. The air filter needs to be cleaned. So that work has to be done. Now it's not supposed to be done often on low mileage, but there's nothing I can do about it. Now, those cable clutch. Yeah. Then you got the chain. That I hate doing. Every 600 miles, adjust. And the cable clutch, check, gap, adjust. These things are a pain in the ass. So if you're a machine don't learn. Machine just adapt. If you're a human, you evolve. Which is me, I'm human. And these are my machines. So my goal here is to make this bike like a real cruiser bike. Well, it's not the fact that it's not real. It is a real bike. It's at least 18,000 miles. Or not at least, it's over 18,000. Let me show you. It's over 18,000 miles, man. First, you always gotta kill the fuel pump. Don't want to animate your fuel pump too much if you're not using the bike, right? Check that out. 18,317 miles. It's running brand new. Gotta love that bike, right? That was a recent. So when you have a bike that's 18,000 miles running at peak performance, you gotta take care of it, right? Otherwise the bike is not gonna take care of you. Now, I know that I have inspired all my colored folks out there, even though you guys don't give me credit, you know, claiming Exodus, big engine, opacity. You know who I'm talking about. Or Mozilla Firefox and revving up your bike, you get parts from there. Or ABC Cycle, you know, butt naked nasty, beard. Or, oh, this is my favorite one. Or butt naked nasty Hawk 250. I don't care where you came from, what channel you watch, or this thing here is unique. You know what I'm saying? There is no one doing that whatsoever. These bikes are top end in China. This one, which is a lot of problem, a lot of maintenance, a lot of investment, and that one, which is smooth selling and just upgrades here and now. So I've done enough talk. going to upgrade this to hydraulic clutch. I'm going to focus the camera right here, not my face no more. So that way, I'm going to put a 2. All right. So the goal here is to disassemble the whole clutch system. Bear in mind, this kit that I have here also comes pair for the brake, so it could look unique. It's not just a clutch. Right?
It's unique on its own.
So now is the time that I start doing things fast. And you can't even blink.